I said in the introduction that I was bound to make a few errors and assumptions that were incorrect during this project, and the fact that I'm standing here with a whiteboard, a diagram and my trusty model means that yes, I've made a slight error in what I said within the design in video 2. If we consider the positions of the Sally in relation to the ceiling, in relation to the whole system, with the bell at rest, the Sally, I've marked the potential Sally position here with a green mark on the rope. If we now stand at hand stroke, you'll see that the green mark is almost in the same position. However, when we stand at backstroke, you can see that the Sally, top of the Sally position, is now almost at the top of the wheel. It's about 11:30. I really didn't want to have the Sally going up onto the wheel. I think there are some dangers in that, but I don't see any way around it to give the maximum vertical movement of the Sally. And I think that we'll find that the Sally will come up onto the wheel to about that sort of position. Anything further than that, and I think we'll potentially have problems with the Sally jumping off. So the error that I made was that I said it was 2/3 of the distance around the wheel, 2/3 of the circumference. That's not in fact the case. The rope length of movement from tail end to Sally, from hand stroke to backstroke stand, is actually just a little bit more than the circumference of the wheel, because you have the amount of extra for the slider. So I just wanted to make that clear before I get any more emails from mathematicians. Thank you. But that's where we are. We have got about 9 feet 6 of clearance here, and I think if we work on the principle of getting the Sally to about the 11:30 position and no further, then I think that will be the maximum that we can do without excessively increasing the height of the frame that we're mounting it on, which obviously we don't want to do for stability purposes. Okay, so that's currently the only error I've got, and having cleared out the garage, it's now on with the materials.